on the Vikasit Bharat G Ramji bill has been passed in Lok Sabha amid ruckus. Opposition stormed the well of the House. Some of the opposition MPs were seen tearing pages of the bill and then throwing it towards Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Opposition continued to oppose the G Ramji bill. In fact, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said, "We will fight against the bill."
और गरीबों के कल्याण में ये योजना महत्वपूर्ण रोल अदा करेगी। कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराख नहीं होता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं इन निराश और हताश लोगों को अटल जी की पंक्तियां सुना के अपनी बात समाप्त करता हूं। गीत नया गाता हूं, गीत नया गाता हूं, टूटे हुए तारों से फूटे बासंती स्वर, पत्थर की छाती में उगाया न बनकर, भरे सब पीले पात, भरे सब पीले पात, कोयल की कुहुक रात, प्राची में अरुणा की रेख देख पाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ। और ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि इनके हंगामे से हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ। विकास का गीत, जन कल्याण का गीत, गरीब कल्याण का गीत। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
श्री केदार राधाकृष्णन, सौगत राय, एन.के. प्रेमचंदन, के.सी. वेणुगोपाल, डी.एम. काथिर आनंद, विशाल पाटिल, अरुण नेहरू, डॉक्टर के. काव्या, सुश्री ज्योतिमणि, बेनी बैनन, शशिकांत सेंथिल, आई.बी. ईडन, अब्दुल रशीद शेख, इकरा चौधरी, इन सभी मान्य सदस्यों ने विभिन्न खंडों पर अपने अपने संशोधन दिए हैं। अगर वे प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं तो अपनी सीट पर चला जाए, अन्यथा मैं सभी खंडों को एक साथ ले रहा हूं। विधेयक पर विचार करने हेतु प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में आ गए हैं, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना गए, मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्षवा विधेयक पर विचार करने के प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया। अब सभा विधेयक पर खंडवार विचार करेगी। प्रश्न ये कि खंड 2 से 37 विधेयकांग बने जो
debate that happened on the VB-G Ramji bill that concluded at around 1:35 a.m. Last night. 98 members across party lines discussed the bill. Opposition wanted it to be sent to the standing committee. And now there are reactions coming in from the opposition. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra says we'll continue our fight. So there is no end to the showdown over the new bill. After a marathon discussion, the opposition wanted it to be sent to the standing committee. But amid ruckus and hangama in the House, the bill was passed. This is what Priyanka Gandhi said.
ये जो बिल है, माइक थोड़ा नीचे प्लीज, इसका हम पूरी तरह से विरोध करेंगे और एकदम ठोस विरोध करेंगे। सब पार्टियां, हमारी जितनी पार्टियां, सब सहमत हैं इस बिल से मनरेगा खत्म होने जा रहा है। क्योंकि जैसे ही ये बोझ प्रदेश की सरकारों पर पड़ेगा कि इतना पैसा प्रदेश की सरकारों को देना है, वैसे ही आस्ते आस्ते स्कीम खत्म हो जाएगी। क्योंकि प्रदेश की सरकारों के पास इतना पैसा है नहीं, खास तौर से जो प्रदेश जिनमें सबसे ज्यादा स्कीम की जरूरत है। तो ये एकदम श्रमिकों के खिलाफ है, मजदूरों के खिलाफ है, गरीबों के खिलाफ है और इसका हम सख्त से सख्त विरोध करेंगे।
इन्होंने महात्मा गांधी का कत्ल किया, इनकी विचारधारा के लोगों ने, और महात्मा जी का कत्ल 1948 में हुआ था, लेकिन महात्मा जी के सपनों का कत्ल फिर कर दिया। गरीब के घर में जो दिया जलाया था, उस दिए को बुझाने का काम कर दिया। मनरेगा को इन्होंने खत्म कर दिया। मनरेगा गरीब की उम्मीद थी, मनरेगा मजदूर की उम्मीद थी, इन्होंने खत्म कर दिया।
सर, पॉल्यूशन पे भी आज डिबेट होनी थी और वो भी नहीं हो पाई।
हाउस एग्जाम कर दिया। अब ये सुनते कहाँ हैं? ये सुनते थोड़ा ही ना।
आपको लग रहा है कि सरकार इस पर डिबेट करेगी? आपका
लगता नहीं है।
Let's go across to Pragya. Pragya, there was a marathon debate that happened on VB-G Ramji bill, which concluded at around 1:35 a.m. last night. The opposition says सरकार कत्ल कर रही है इस बिल का, and this is going to, be against the interest of people who've so far benefited because of Manrega. They wanted it to be sent to the standing committee.
Well, Swati, this has been explained by Minister concern for the bill, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and in fact, he said that the days of Manrega has been also increased from 100 to 125, and also the outlay that was during the UPA government was very less as compared to what it is now in the Modi government. So there is no, truth in the fact what opposition is saying that this is, doing away with Manrega, but this is a new bill. This is an updated version and the newer version of the bill, because we have some realities and some complaints about Manrega, about corruption that had to be stopped. And in fact, there are many provisions in this bill how it can be made transparent and how it also ensures an employment allowance also to people who may not be able to do Manrega job or to do work under this particular scheme because of the natural calamities. So all of those provisions are for the welfare of the village and also the people. A lot of role that the Gram Panchayat will take place. This all has been explained by Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan during the reply, but opposition wanted to object to it, wanted to object to the name of the bill, did not hear the reply of Minister Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan and created ruckus. And this is exactly the reason why government and speaker in fact also decided that this is the time that we will not hear about the opposition. We heard them till 1:35 a.m. in the morning, but it is time for them also to listen. And if you had objection, then you would have, you could have also objected to it. But the bill is passed, even if opposition protests, it doesn't mean anything. This bill has been sent to Rajya Sabha.
The government has numbers in the lower house. So, of course, the bill has been passed. Now it will go to the upper house. Pragya, stay on with us. Let's listen to what Shivraj Singh Chauhan said.
मनरेगा को भी अगर ताकत के साथ किसी ने ठीक ढंग से लागू किया तो वो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लागू किया। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपके माध्यम से मैं देश को बताना चाहता हूं, 2006 से लेके ये ढोंग करते हैं, ये कांग्रेस के लोग ढोंग करते हैं। जब यूपीए की सरकार थी, माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, 6, 7 से 13, 14 तक केवल 1660 करोड़ मानव दिवस श्रम दिवस सृजित हुए, लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में 3210 करोड़ श्रम दिवस सृजित करने का काम किया। अरे तुमने मनरेगा लागू की, तुम ढोंग करते हो, ढोंग। नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार काम करती है।
Well, a quick look, if you do a comparison between Manrega and the VBG Ramji bill, and these are the key highlights, key takeaways. So as far as Manrega is concerned, it guarantees 100 wage employment days. In VBG Ramji, that has been increased to 125 wage employment days. Work is scattered across categories. The attempt or the aim through VBG Ramji bill is to ensure localized planning. There are multiple such key highlights that are very different from what Manrega offers. And the government says this is going to enhance and strengthen and remove the structural weakness. But despite the assurances coming in from the government, on your screens, the 4 windows that you see, or the 4 visuals that you see, will tell you about the entire story that transpired. The speaker kept on appealing to the opposition MPs to go back to their seats. Opposition MPs stormed the well of the House, tore pages of the bill. We have a reaction coming in from Hebe Eden. Listen in.
The way in which the government has passed this bill, the opposition parties were continuously holding a protest inside. Still, this bill has got passed. What's your take upon it?
The soul of the bill has been totally murdered because the more financial burden the state government is going to have, and the kind of financial burden the government has to take, they will drop the project. It was a demand-driven project. Unfortunately, now the women and the common workers who used to get job will lose their because the state government is not in a capacity to take so much of financial responsibilities, which is going to adversely affect the bill, which is going to adversely affect the program. So Manrega, the rural guarantee program, is murdered today in the parliament, which is going to affect lakhs and lakhs of common workers. Their families are going to be in a huge trouble.
But Shivraj Singh Chauhan is saying that this is just to help the poor, the people who are living in villages.
No. The changing of the name is another factor which we have already mentioned. Father of the nation has been totally ignored. He has been, his name has been spoiled, and also the kind of technical terminologies inside and the kind of changes it has brought will ruin the entire program. The entire idea of the program has been ruined.
And about pollution, because that debate also supposed to take place.
We wanted to do the debate. We are ready for the debate, but it is the speaker and the ruling party which adjourned. They didn't want that.
So, Hibirin of the Congress says it's not just about name change, it's also about the wage sharing, cost sharing for wages. Let's go across to Niyamika, and that is a bone of contention. Till now, Niyamika, the center took care of the wage cost and the states used to handle unemployment allowance. But now the division is 60-40 for states and for 90-10 for certain special category regions in terms of cost sharing for wages.
Well, yes, indeed. That is the concern which is being raised by many of the opposition leaders during the debate as well. We have seen that how the opposition parties are continuously making this allegation against the government of India, saying that if this bill is going to be passed, then the entire burden will be upon the state governments, as their budget is not going to allow them to fulfill all these things. As for that reason, we have seen that how the protest had also taken place when Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the union minister, was also speaking within the house, as many of the opposition MPs even torn the bill copy when this entire debate was going on. And now this allegation is being levelled against the government by the opposition leaders, that how this bill is being imposed just to put pressure upon the state governments. They are saying that the ratio of 60-40 is not the state governments are not being able to fulfill that, as there is already so much of burden upon them. The budget is not going to allow them, and all of these concerns, they are saying that this was the only reason why we were continuously raising this demand, that the G-Ramji bill needs to be sent to the standing committee so that the stakeholders can also be consulted. There can be a proper study which can be done regarding this entire issue. However, they are also questioning the name change of this bill, as they are saying that it is basically to remove the entire legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. That is the only reason why the name of Manrega has now been changed. And in fact, we have also spoken to one of the Congress Party's MLAs, Congress Party's MPs from Punjab. He has basically stated that this is the entire conspiracy being hatched by the BJP and RSS just to give out a communal angle through this bill.
All right, Niyamika, thank you for getting us the reactions and for